Hello beautiful people of the universe! Welcome back to my channel.
All about me, all about me, all about me, yeah!
Today, I am going to have another special collaboration, and she is none other than the beautiful Zulfia ASMR. And there she is. She is really beautiful, right?
Yeah.
I really love this girl. Zulfia, thank you so much for this special collaboration. I love you, girl. Please don't forget to visit her channel, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for you to be updated to her wonderful ASMR mukbang videos. You will not regret watching her because she is really such a lovely girl. She is so gorgeous. I really love her eyes, her face, her nose, her everything. I am not going to do ASMR today because this is my last collaboration. Later, I would like to say thank you to all of my collaboration. Let's dig in now because I'm so hungry and I would like to share with you my food today. Today, I am going to have
Wow!
I am going to have Korean corn dogs. Cha!
Wow.
And I'm so excited to eat. This is one of my favorite Korean food. Zulfia, this is for you. And I also have here my alloy drinks. I really love alloy drinks. I really love it. The taste is really perfect. Okay, let me transfer it to my glass. Looks so good. Can you see the alloy chunks? Cheers, Zulfia ASMR. I love it. I love this aloe drink. You have to try this. So good. Okay, let's get started because I am so excited to eat my corn dogs. What are the flavor of this? Here. 감자똥 모자. 맞아?
모짜. 감자통.
감자똥.
통.
똥. 모자. 모르겠다. I don't know. Anyway, this one is potato with whole mozzarella cheese.
Wow!
I'm not gonna eat all because I need to give some for Oppa, so I'm gonna eat half of this. half. Yep, yeah. I have sauces here, onion cream, tomato ketchup, I also have your buttered garlic, cheddar cheese, what other sauces? Sweet chili, cheese mustard. Yeah, but I'm not sure if I'm going to eat that. Anyway. Look at the mozzarella cheese. And look at this. These are potato chunks. So good. So delicious. You must try these Korean corn dogs when you visit here in South Korea. They really have here a very delicious corn dogs. Okay, and this one is also with mozzarella cheese, but there is no potato.
Wow!
Yep. Yeah. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at the cheese.
Wow!
Look at the mozzarella cheese. So good. So good. The taste is really perfect. So good. And this one is kokuma. Kokuma. Kokuma is sweet potato. 맞아? 정답! 맞아! Kokuma. This is sweet potato with whole mozzarella cheese.
Wow!
This is so good.
Wow.
With sweet taste, because this is sweet potato with whole mozzarella cheese. I love this. I love this sweet potato with whole mozzarella cheese. So delicious. It's sweet, but not really sweet. So I love it. Because this is going to be my last collaboration, I would like to say thank you one by one to everyone na nakakollab ko. So first, it's hard to talk while eating. Okay, so first, I would like to say thank you to my first ever collaboration. She is Lays Lafang channel. Thank you so much, Ate Lays. And second is Mamshi Liza. Thank you so much, Mamshi Liza. Food and Travel, thank you also. I love you. I love you all. You know, they keep on supporting me. They keep on watching and commenting to my videos. Thank you so much, Food and Travel. And next is Hungry Von. Thank you so much, Hungry Von. Jayan's Fam Vlogs. Thank you so much, Jayan's Fam Vlogs. Next is Simple Bisdak Mukbang. Thank you so much, Simple Bisdak Mukbang, Kuya. Thank you. Jedak's Food Trip. Yeah. Thank you so much, Jedak's Food Trip. The cute couple, the lovely couple. Thank you. And we have Inyaki TV. Yeah, thank you so much, Kuya Inyaki TV. He is always in my premiere. He's also watching and commenting to my videos. Thank you so much, Kuya Inyaki TV. Marte Atendido. Yeah. Kamsahamnida. Thank you so much, Kuya Marte, for still supporting me, for watching and commenting to my videos. Papa, do you need something? Wait for me, I'm gonna just finish this. And also, yeah, my lovely friends from Malaysia. Yay! Thank you so much, Kim and Carmen. I love you so much. You are also one of those who are watching my premiere and leaving your comment. Thank you so much. And we have Junpig. Yeah, Frenny. Thank you so much, Frenny. Also, Frenny is watching my premiere. Thank you so much. And let's have, yeah, Bisdak sa Kuwait. Yeah, bro. Thank you so much, Bisdak sa Kuwait. We have Mitch Love Eat ASMR. Thank you so much, lovely girl. And also we have Kish Guyana Vlogs. Yay! I love this family of Kish Guyana. Kish Guyana, thank you, lovely girl, for always watching my premiere, for always leaving your comment. Saranghe! I'm waiting for you here with your family in South Korea. So, see you soon! And let's have Sevilla Fun Vlogs. Yeah, this girl, I love you, girl. You are such a wonderful person. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching and leaving your comments. Thank you, Sevilla Fan Vlogs. And let's have Grace ASMR Mukbang. Yay, Grace! I love you, girl. We call each other pretty. Thank you, pretty. Thank you for also supporting me, for always supporting me. Let's have my collaboration last Wednesday. Yeah, Brand Delicious Food Live. Thank you so much, girl. And of course, yeah, my last collaboration, Sophia ASMR. Thank you so much for this special collaboration. Thank you all. I really appreciate your kindness for accepting my request to collaborate with me. Oh, I forgot to mention, I guess, yeah, Reina Nito Nieng. Yes, I'm sorry. I forgot to write your channel here. Yeah, Reina Nito Nieng. Yes, I almost forgot. My goodness. Thank you so much, Reina Nito Nieng, Ate Kuya, Ate Cutie Boy. Thank you so much for always watching my videos and leaving your comments. I really love your family, and I hope I could also meet you someday here in South Korea, because Ate told me that her children wants to visit South Korea. So I'll be waiting here. Thank you, Reina Titunyeng. Did I forget to mention my other collaboration? I hope not. Oh my goodness. I need to hurry eating because Oppa is so hungry. I know, I can feel that he is so hungry. He just finished working. I don't eat my sauces. Actually, I'm not fond of eating sauces. There is hot dog inside. So this is with whole mozzarella cheese and hot dog. This is so good. The hot dog is so good. And look at the cheese.
Wow!
You really have to try Korean corn dogs. They're so good, so delicious, and a lot of flavors. No. There's also sweet potato. Yeah.
Wow!
It's so good. How do you drink? It's sweet. Thank you once again, Zofia ASMR, for this special collaboration. Thank you, beautiful girl. Alright, so that's all for today. See you again on my next video. Don't forget to like, share this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for you to be updated to my videos. You can also leave your comment. Alright, I'm gonna heat it up and give it to Oppa. Spread love.